Coach, happy 10 championship. How special is this one for you?
Well, this is very special for us dahil after 2022 ngayon lang, nagkaroon na ng pandemic, nawala, and then ito, nakabalik. And then 2 years din akong nagpahinga, which is I'm so happy dahil I was able to recharge, recover, and then nakapag-aral na mabuti. And now, I'm so happy nakabalik ako and then won the championship in the All Philippine Cup.
And itong series na ito, ano yung matatandaan nyo? No, aside sa 10 ito, yung competition, ano yung matatanda mo sa competition? Ano yung matatanda mo sa competition, Coach?
Itong series na to? Well, matatandaan ko dito yan talagang kapansin-pansin naman yung mga players natin. They work really hard, especially on defense. And then they did not give up because of the I think ang nag-trigger sa amin dito yung first game. When we lost in the first game, so we don't want that to happen. So nagising sila and they realized na we have to work extra harder because or else we will be beaten by Talk and Text. And nakita naman natin from start to finish, except ng game 5, talagang plat na plat kami. Pero since game 1 hanggang game 4, hindi kami nagbabago. Hanggang game 6, pinakita namin. Yung defense talaga ang nagdala sa amin dito sa championship. And then, matatandaan mo si Junmar, since nung semifinals, he's not 100%. Because of a big heart, and then experience the championship, so he was able to play well. Salamat sa mga PT namin at saka yung mga trainer namin dahil sila nagpapalakas din sa mga player namin na hindi 100% maglaro.
Coach, looking back at game 1, yung kinukento nyo nga kanina. If you could turn back time, babawiin nyo ba yung 2 points o hindi na?
Yeah, it's all about the decision of the authority. And we never complain naman Kung yan decision nyo, panindigan nyo, so we will abide. And then that's what happened. Hindi kami nag-file ng protest. So because they're saying na it is in the rules. Oh, well, it's in the rules. But next time you have to review that dahil it seems na it could affect the outcome of the game. You know.
And lastly, Coach, pumapasok na ba sa isip nyo na umaakit kayo sa mga most titled coaches sa PBA?
Well, hindi ko tinitingnan ako every game, every conference. I just want to win. And then siguro, bonus na lang yun kung ipinipraise ako ng ibang mga tao, ganyan. Dahil yung career ko dito sa PBA, I think ako youngest among the veterans dahil 10 o 12, 10 years pa ako nagko-coach dito sa San Miguel. Ganyan I think 80. Dahil yung last 2 ko, hindi naman ako head coach Pero yung first 2-3 years ko with Shell at saka Reynorside. So more or less 13 years ako nagko-coach ngayon sa PBA. But I think in the span of 13 years, I was able to win 10 championships, including the 7 winningest coach in the All Filipino.
And lastly, kanino nyo dinededicate yung series na to?
Yeah, I dinededicate ito kay RSA dahil before the semifinals, I was able to talk to him and he told me, Coach, you need to win a championship. And this is it. Nanalo kami ng championship. I'm sure na he will be very happy with this outcome.